What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go with our friend BTC. Currently sitting at 27.3. We're down 1.1 on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 532 billion. 24 volume, 12.17 billion. Let's hop to the chart. So pulled right back to our target, the 61.8. So this is our bounce zone, ABC into a 2. And if we push up, the bullish confirmation is a break of the wave 1 high. We're also holding the support of the bullish cross, so that's a pretty decent entry for a long trade. As you can see, we pushed right, we broke below it, but we pushed right back above it. So if we close the day above it, then that's a successful retest, and that could definitely offer you a good long entry right off that bullish cross to potentially ride it up to the next level of resistance. For our friend Bitcoin, I'm looking at the DXY. It looks like we're going to break that bearish confirmation, which means we should see continuation down in the wave B, which could give the opportunity for Bitcoin to break out. So I do think there's a good opportunity that we start to bounce off this level. If we end up rolling over, watch the 78.6 for your next level to bounce. But good opportunity here, in my opinion, that we do bounce. And if we break that wave 1 high, that's bullish confirmation of continuation to the upside. Of course, if we bounce up, we fail to break it, and we break down, we come all the way down, we lose this low. It is what it is. We go lower. But as of right now, I think there's a really good chance that we see continuation up, especially the fact that we're holding that bullish cross on the daily. We are currently in trades for Bitcoin, and Solana. My signals are $10 a month. We're also in Forex trades. First of all, make sure to sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN. For all my US and Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange, my subscribers only get a 20% bonus when you deposit into your futures account. So if you deposit $100, you get $20, $1,000, you get $200. For my subscribers only. And my signals, sign up to the Patreon, $10 a month. Daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups. As I mentioned, we're currently in trades for Bitcoin, Solana. Crypto news, member profits out of all places, as well as Forex trades. We're currently in trades for Euro USD, Australian USD, and British Pound USD. We're all in trades for those as well. So not only can you trade crypto, but as well as Forex for $10, only $10. You spend $10 every single day. All links down below. Please do check them out. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.